Hey there, my name is Kunal and in today's video we are diving into Elementor's new AI site planner. Announced at their latest Web Forward event, this tool is already creating a lot of buzz by automating website planning through generating site maps, wireframes and content briefs. Plus, the great part is, all of this is done using the advanced Elementor AI. Just imagine slashing your planning time from hours to minutes, and that too for completely free and without any hidden fees. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's a reality now. And yes, no matter if you're a seasoned web designer or just tired of staring at a blank page, this tool is definitely gonna offer a smart and guided way to kickstart your projects. Therefore, in this video, I'll walk you through each step, that is from setting up your brief to tweaking your wireframe, importing it onto your site, as well as how to use the AI note taker, which will surely help you meet your client's need with the speed of light. So, stick around and witness how Elementor's AI site planner can revolutionize your design workflow without any hassle. Alright, so first, as you can see, we are on the landing page of the Elementor's AI site planner. The interface is simple and intuitive. Right off the bat, as soon as I will click on try for free, then signing in using my Google account, I'm seeing these two options here, that are AI chat and AI note taker. Let me tell you that the AI chat here is gonna help us generate a structured website plan by answering guided questions or even by uploading existing content. While the AI note taker is perfect while you have a client on board and you gotta record and summarize important points from that meeting. Using that later on, with the help of AI, you could even design your client's website exactly as per his requirements, saving you a lot of time without facing any creativity blocks. I hope you get the idea. Now, I'll be walking you through both of these one by one, by which you will also get familiarized with their practical side. So, first, let's start with AI chat. Clicking on it opens up an interactive assistant that guides you through the website planning process. You can either manually enter details or upload a document, PDF or TXT file here to give AI more context. Let me tell you that this is super useful if you already have some ideas or content written out. For this tutorial, let's create a website for a local hiking and adventure club. First, we will provide a site name. Here, I'm going with Trailblazers Adventure Club. It's interesting how fast AI picked up the idea, even recognized the theme of outdoor activities. Very cool. This tells me that the Elementor team have integrated a pretty advanced language model in this all-new AI tool. Next, as you can see, it's asking for what we are gonna offer through this website. You can choose from these AI-generated suggestions or share a customized response like this. I'm tweaking here a bit. Like, this is a community-driven club that organizes hiking trips, camping experience, and outdoor workshops. Okay, now we gotta define the primary website goals. Alright, increasing membership is good. Also, I'll add sharing event schedules and offering outdoor safety tips. Now, moving on to the secondary goal that I want to add is promoting sustainable travel. So let's add that. Okay, moving ahead, as you can see, for your information, AI is asking all these questions, so it could compile all of this into a clear website purpose statement, which you can see in the right half of this screen. Now, with our goals all set, next AI is gonna help us in outlining the essential pages. Right away, as visible, it has suggested us home, safety tips and about us. Well, that's particularly what we need, so let's type them out here. Plus, I'd also want to add upcoming events and join the club. Additionally, instead of this about us page, let's add contact us. Perfect. We have our home, upcoming events, join the club, safety tips and resources, and contact us added. Further, as you can see, I'm providing it with a few more information pointers. And next, as visible, we have now received the message stating let's generate a sitemap and wireframes based on this brief. So, let's follow the prompt and quickly click on this use this brief button for the AI to start working. Cool! Finally, we have entered the sitemap arena. And here, as visible, we've got the complete blueprint of our website all laid out. Here's the home page, under which there are upcoming events, join the club, safety tips, and contact us. And of course, within each one of them, we've also got the content that the AI is planning to add. That's pretty cool, to be honest. Now, let's see different options to interact with this sitemap. Quickly zoom in, and here, as you can see, I'm simply able to drag and drop these sections, delete them, and even we've got this regenerate option. If we talk about its use case, that is if someone want to refine the structure as per their liking, he or she can do that with just a simple click. See? Now here's where it's gonna get even more exciting. Click on this wireframe tab and Elementor AI takes your sitemap and turns it into a full wireframe layout. How cool is that? This is very similar to what you would create in Figma or Adobe XD. But you saw the speed. It's like done on steroids. Now on the left, you can see a preview of our homepage. On observing closely, we can see that AI has automatically placed a logo, few links, get started, and even a join us button. If in case you're not satisfied with this output, here's an option to just regenerate it, and it will quickly suggest an alternative. See, this was an example. Since I didn't like the previous default header, so I regenerated it. And now the new header includes a logo, links, a drop-down navigation menu, along with this sleek looking get started button. Alright, now let's talk about the best part, which is also my personal favorite. That is, you can interact with your wireframe in real time. Drag and drop sections like this, switch between desktop, tablet and mobile views from here. Plus, if you focus your attention on the top left corner here, we get to see this edit brief option, through which, in case you're not satisfied with your result, using this you can simply go back and tweak the inputs anytime. But we are not gonna do that, as they have given us a warning that if we want to undo, then we will lose the existing sitemap and set of wireframes as a consequence. Personally, I'm pretty happy with my results, so no thank you. Now, saying that, it's time to wrap this section of the video up. But many of you might be wondering that there is still one more last tab left, which is style. Well, you're not wrong. Let me give you a little context of it first. The Style tab is designed to let users customize and style their wireframes, likely allowing changes to colors, fonts, and other design elements. However, since it's currently unavailable in this beta version, we will have to wait and see how Elementor enhances this feature in the upcoming future updates. To be honest, I'm really looking forward to seeing how much creative control it will offer once it's fully rolled out. This is going to be really exciting, guys. Alright, at this stage, as you can see, since we have our wireframe and structure already, it's time now to turn this wireframe into a fully functional website. For this, Elementor is offering this export kit option, through which you can download this whole Elementor kit, which of course is gonna get downloaded as a .zip file, and next you can simply import it into any WordPress site with Elementor installed. For now, since the downloading process of the kit is in the middle, let's keep our WordPress backend open so we could quickly import the kit we are just downloading. Once in, simply go to Elementor, then Tools, then Import/Export Kit tab, and here we will click on Start Import. Now next, let's see whether our kit has been downloaded there or not. Cool, it's here in my system's downloads. Again, quickly get back in the WordPress backend and next, upload that file here. Moving ahead, as you can see, now we've been asked to select the plugin we wanna import. Now this directly implies only one thing, that it's necessary to have the Elementor Pro activated, as in absence of it, the functionality of our site will be impacted, meaning the components within the kit like templates, widgets and pop-ups will not work properly or might not even work at all, who knows. So just keep that in mind. I have mine already installed. But anyways, if in case you don't have it currently, even then you could move to the further step by clicking on this next button. But yes, consider shifting to the Pro plan if you really want to take your website creation to the next level. For now, let's quickly hit on your import button. Oh, that's so fun! Elementor has recreated the entire wireframe within minutes into our website, all ready for further necessary customization. Now, let's enter in one of the pages here to check whether we can truly customize the elements used within these pages or not. Alright, while exporting was great for seamless website setup, what if you are a creator and making a website for a client according to their needs? Well, for sure you gotta jot down a lot of points and gather details. Now, just to let you know, this area is also covered by this AI NOTETAKER, which is another powerful feature within the Elementor AI Site Planner. AI NOTETAKER is perfect for team collaborations and client meetings. It works inside Google Meet, allowing you to record, transcribe, and generate key takeaways from your discussions. To use it, simply copy your Google Meet link here, paste it inside Elementor's AI Site Planner, and invite the AI NOTETAKER. Once it joins, the AI will automatically transcribe the whole conversation, which includes capturing client requirements, feedback, and important details that you will obviously get once after the meeting ends. And here, as you can see, after the meeting, we've got the full transcript. And when we move to the next step, here we are getting this AI generated summary too, with all that key details noted in a structured format. From here, you can immediately use the information and with the help of AI, quickly refine your website brief and create a beautiful sitemap. So tell me, isn't this a goodbye wave to all the messy notes and forgotten ideas? As with the power and creativity of AI, you can get this hectic job done in far less than half the usual time. Now let's move on to the final thought, which is Elementor's AI site planner really worth it? To be honest, in my opinion, absolutely. And let me tell you why. First, it eliminates the guesswork in website planning. Second, AI handles sitemaps, content briefs and wireframes all with itself automatically. Third key point is that the AI note taker makes client collaboration seamless. And of course, at last you can export and import your site structure with ease. I think that was all. Now, with that said, you have to understand that it's still in its beta mode. So, some of the styling features are not yet available. But I'm pretty sure that once Elementor add full styling options, this has the potential to become a must-have tool for majority of the website creators out there. So, tell me, are you gonna use this Elementor AI site planner for your next website? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what's on your mind. And of course, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and be sure to hit that little bell icon so you never miss out on upcoming amazing tutorials on Elementor like these. I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning and happy website building.